Hey Big Spring, this is Shannon Thomason, and I'm running to represent you as your mayor. Just a quick post-debate update and a few comments regarding that. We had the debate this evening. First of all, I want to thank Shiloh Salazar with the Young Democrats for organizing everything and ramrodding the entire event, as well as thanks going out to the Democratic Party of Howard County, the Howard County Young Republicans, and the Republican Party of Howard County for all co-sponsoring the event. We had a great turnout, had some great debate, had a fantastic time, and look forward to more events like that in the future in Big Spring. One issue that came up not during the debate, but immediately afterwards. I was ambushed by evidently Big Spring's version of CNN. Melinda Flanagan, who is one of the owners of KBST, spoke to me and said, "Hey, we got some questions we want to ask you. Do you mind if I record it?" And my response was, "Well, what are the questions?" And she proceeds to ambush interview me in a room full of people regarding a personal situation of mine that occurred a few years ago. And so let me address that first. In 2015, I was sued by a company in Lubbock. Went to court, ended up losing the lawsuit, and that all occurred in 2016. So as a result, to protect my personal assets, and at the time I wasn't making a whole lot of money, so I needed everything I had. So in 2017, as a result of that lawsuit and the judgment against me, I filed bankruptcy. So Ms. Flanagan's essential question was, do you think someone that has filed bankruptcy has the fiscal wherewithal to serve as mayor of Big Spring? Well, let me give you a few examples of some other public figures that have filed bankruptcy in the past. Number one, Thomas Jefferson filed bankruptcy. Abraham Lincoln filed bankruptcy. Donald J. Trump filed bankruptcy 6 times. And I think we can all state and pretty much agree that right now the country's in pretty good financial health. So my personal finances have no bearing whatsoever on my being able to be a good steward of the citizens' money. And that's obviously the case she's wanting to make. Now, let me address the gist of the interview. She's one of the owners of KBST. Now, had they called me and said, "Hey, we'd like to talk to you about this," of course, I'd have gone down and visited with them and answered any questions they wanted to. But no, she chose to ambush me in a room full of dozens of people. My understanding is there were about 80 people at the debate tonight. And you know, she, like I said, it's ambush journalism at its best. Prime example of it. You know, it's nothing I'm trying to hide at all. It's a matter of public record. But it has no bearing whatsoever on my record as an activist or as a candidate. I have never had an employer question my honesty. I've never had been filed on by the Texas Ethics Commission with regards to campaign finance. I have no issues at all in that regard. But you know, if you're looking for someone who is squeaky clean. Obviously, that's not me. I'm not perfect. Trust me, I wish I were. I can't even claim I was. If I did, my wife would slap a knot on my head because she doesn't tolerate me being that way. So let's talk about a few other things that I have done wrong in the past. I got a speeding ticket about a month and a half ago, Miss Flanagan. You might want to report on that. I got audited once. You might want to report on that. The thing is there are people in this town that are strong supporters of another candidate. There are people in this town that are strong supporters of mine. So bringing up this issue, and if by all means, Wednesday morning, listen to KBST, go on their website. Evidently, they're going to post my personal finances on their website for God and everybody to see. And that's fine. That's within their rights. But I don't have anything to hide. If I did, I wouldn't have been at the debate tonight. Wait. Wasn't there somebody else who wasn't at the debate tonight? Anyway, Big Spring, I'm Shannon Thomason. I answer all questions, well, within reason. And I'm not trying to hide anything. The fact that I went through a personal bankruptcy is immaterial to the election. And, if you feel like, there's a question about my integrity with regards to that, then by all means, please tell me that. Obviously, I am wide open for questions and comments. I'll meet with anybody who has questions and comments and issues with the city or with me. So anyways, again, great debate. For those of you who were there after the debate ended and wanted to visit with me and didn't get the opportunity, now you know why. I'm sorry that that situation came up, and I wish I could have visited with you there. If you'd like to ask me questions, my phone number is on my Facebook page. You can contact me through Facebook. I'm more than happy to answer questions, and I'm more than happy to respond to the media if they behave themselves. Anyway, folks, I'm going to call it a night. Again, great event. I look forward to seeing more in the future in Big Spring. We need more of this. We got some great questions from the audience, and I really look forward to more interaction with the citizens. And that's one of the things I'm running on, is opening up the veil of city government, sliding the veil back and pointing out, the man behind the curtain or the people behind the curtain. Because a lot of the people behind the curtain do a lot of good, hard work for the city of Big Spring. And as time goes on, we're going to highlight some of those folks. Anyway, again, thank you for attending the debate if you went. Thank you for watching if you didn't and caught it on the live stream. I'll be looking to get a copy of that where you can watch it yourselves and watch the replay of it. In the meantime, have a good night. Good luck. God bless. God bless Big Spring.